L. She is likable, lovely, lively, and there are so many more words to describe. E. She's extraordinary. We can all agree to that, right? X. Alright. The one that did kind of complicated for me because I know a little bit of word of X in it. But I find one word still. Zenas. This means that she's a strong, confident woman, and the whole we can all agree to that too. When we see in our 876 roommates, as she alone come our forward pan top in the donkey race, right? Yeah. But most of all, she's a very supportive and kind friend to me dearly.
Yeah, Lando, man. Come on, London, man. Close. This them awesome. Hold them, Lando.
Lando ball, cylinder ball.
Want to support the man, Regine?
More
Tell the man for dance, man.
Man.
You want it better?
Alright, so I was saying she was a very supportive friend. She even spent her last moment supporting me and my brand that I had recently launched. We all can see the purple, the sweater. Yeah, she paused in my brand, right? She's one of the many persons on the cast that really believed in me, motivated me, treated me as equally as the rest of them able, and so on and so forth.
Alright, cool. Roll it, Magina, Lego. Roll it. Alright, so we're moving along. Next on the program is Way Shay. Way Shay, where art thou? Make your way. Hot drops. Can I say that in a church? Hot drops. Passing that legal. Hot drops.
So where she has to down there, where she not get up?
I'm going to use the church, you know, so I want to make sure I do the right thing. I'm going to tell you, he's forwarding. Remember, be a comedian there, so you have to understand. If it's a policeman at pass, you think I'll pull up a funeral.
Come in, where
so if our comedian pass, what do you think happen? Okay, good. Alright, hold it, my G. Hold it. Yeah, hot them, my friend. Hold it.
Alright, so good afternoon to everyone. My condolences to everyone that is grieving right now, the family, friends, everybody. So I'm just going to share a scripture reading from a Bible. Me a little nervous. Alright, from I was 3 years old, I recited this Bible verse. So St. John 11 verses 23 to 26. Alright. Jesus said unto her, thy sister shall rise again. Martha said unto him, I know that she shall rise again in the resurrection of the last day. Jesus said to her, I am the resurrection and the life. He who believeth in me should not perish but have everlasting life. Rest in peace, Lexi.
Up.
Alright? So a long time big man a come up here now. Me na call him that name, because no man so no say so to me. But me fi call a girl.
Just call.
Alright, this person I'm about to call up next to do his tribute is somebody that I grew up and watched on my television. He doesn't need no introduction because me not gonna say that their name there. If it was a woman, no, I would say Miss Beautiful. But for the ladies, he's known by Mr. Okay, thank you.
Good evening, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. Let me give my
You can turn it down a little bit. I'm not going to do that song first. But let me say, I want everybody to focus their attention from where Lexi Gray casket is at and to over there. I want everybody to focus their attention over there to all the actors. And the reason why I want you to focus over there, you notice, is mostly young persons, right? And they all work with this beautiful lady. It's so ironic that the government and society want young people to get ahead in life or to do something constructive. But I don't see no TVJ or no CVM streaming this live. Lexi was one of the person that I, as a 50-year-old actor, wanted to meet from ever since. And I never get the chance to meet her. My nephew then introduced her to me. And when she passed away and I go to the setup, I met with her mother and her brother. And the news that they told me was shocking. They said, Lexi, play your cassette every day when Girlie was coming on. They said that this little girl mimicked everything that I do. Trust me, I wanted to meet her. And when I do an event last night, and when it's on the 14th, and when they called me and told me that the funeral was going to be on the 14th, the sister and the mother, I said, Jesus, I wanted to come. And this gentleman and them, they said, all right, we're going to reroute it. And I realized, and I thank God that I get the opportunity as an actor who acting from 1990 to get a chance to come and sing for this great pioneer. Give the family who brought her up a round of applause.
Then Tadra,
God, give life, and He takes it away. My God, He is a potter, and we are the clay. When we view the last sunset and cross on the sea, I know that sunrise will be waiting for me. I want my choir to join me. Sunrise.